Hello. Hello. Oh my goodness. It's so back. It's so back and I'm fucking tired. How are we? How are we? I see a Starman. Preemptive disarming indeed. 3 stream streak. Very cool. What's up, Gamer Bunny? Oh, I missed the butt. God damn it. And I see Witcher. Hi, how are you? Um, it's kind of dawning on me that I want to change a bunch of stuff about this project, which is a little bit annoying, considering I was not completely done with my initial checklist, but kind of getting there. Um, so like it's fine. It's whatever. I did spend a little time off stream yesterday, uh, making new noodles. So that was fun. I'm wondering, I think this one might be a little bit too high up there. Like, I kind of like this, but I think maybe if it just kind of stuck closer to here, didn't go up as high. I think this one came out, though. Yeah. Got everything else in this fucking room. Yeah, so, okay, here's another thing I added yesterday. Here's another thing. If it'll let me play it away. My controller. So now when I go up, instead of instead of into a void, which is kind of technically up there, except you can't see the wall, that's fine. Instead of that, it's kind of just doing this like green screen-y effect, which I hope to pipe into OBS in a way that makes sense. But yeah, that's kind of how that's going right now, and then we kind of pop back in here, which is cool. Yeah, I think a lot of this at this point, like I do feel like it makes sense to move to StreamerBot. I just don't I don't know enough about it. I don't know enough about it, and my Google searching today left me stumped. Where like I can connect to the little like WebSocket server that I can set up, but I don't know how to receive messages from it. Like I don't know how to have it communicate with Unreal Engine and maybe have that spit, like Unreal spit information back, and like that I don't know how to do. So, well, we'll focus on other stuff for now. Wow, there we go. We'll focus on other stuff for now, which I think, I kind of want to hold off on head pats. I think, oh, this is something I should do. I should put my character lighting in my blueprint. Yeah. Instead of having them out here. Right, this one. Oh, nope. And these two, I think. Yeah. This one, this one, this one. I want to move to the character blueprint and actually attach them to me. So that they move with me, so that I don't have to fucking worry about that. Or at least for now. I think that makes sense to do. Wrong fucking thing. There we go. Okay. Viewport. Yeah, so kind of like this shit. See if I can get a decent view of it over here. I can do that. I need a rectangle light. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. $90. That kind of needs to be off to the side a little bit. I don't remember what our units were. So I don't think this had to be too bright. Just needs to be a little bit warmer. See what that looks like. Because then I need another one. Oops. No, alt move doesn't want to work. Okay. Okay. Oh, and I can set a parent socket. Okay, that's cool. No, it won't let me. Does it have to be under me? Yeah, it does. Okay. Well then it should be under root, I think. Oh no. Okay. Should have done that before. Right? Yeah, it doesn't move with me. Okay. Ah, my fucking face thing keeps crashing. It's cool. It's whatever. Okay. Okay. So then if I make another one, duplicates, and set that to be the root, I think I can just zero out my rotations here. Okay, that one's still there. I want this one down. And then I think I had a point light in the back. No, not under there. Under the ear. Under my root again. So, I think big question, even if I don't make that perfect right now, is what does that look like? Ah, what does that look like when I go uppies? Oh, wee! Oh, yeah, I think it transfers over, and I'm still nicely lit. Yippee! I'm wondering if this needs a recalibration. Whatever, who cares? Whatever. Okay. So I think that was a big thing I was worried about. But yeah, you can see the light back there. Awesome. Okay. Cool. In that case, I think I'll call those 2 points done, right? Light big screen mode is done. This is where I run into some issues. This is where I run into some issues with what I'm gonna do. So I think right now it's one of these. Yeah. Maybe I'll put it in here somewhere. No, I'll make a new thing. So here's the dealio. Can I make this a little bit bigger? Yeah, okay. So right now I have one redeem called like change coat, which under that, or that expects one color param and one coat param. Like our winter tabby, which has been my test, right? Winter tabby. That's how it works now, where it splits up the string, and you can kind of work with it that way. I am thinking that this, and it seems to be the case with, because this is very similar to how it works now. This seems to be a point of confusion, especially with people who are new to the system, of like, you know, if it's a color, it can only be one word, or like there can't be any space in between, and like it sometimes just gets confused with what exactly it's inputting, which I feel like to some extent there's no getting around that. I think when you're just working with text inputs, it's gonna get a little confused. But I think what might make more sense, maybe, is I still make it one redeem. Where, well, actually here's what I'll do. This is gonna be in the revamp, right? Or I should say current. And this is the 5.3 project, which is running right now, where I have 2 redeems. Or I guess in total I have 3. I have 3 redeems. I have change coat, change... Wait, no, I only have 2. Whoopsie. I have change coat, which accepts 2 strings. Which is color and type. And then I have special types, which act as like costumes, right? Which just take a single string. So, and then I have no special types as of right now. Hi Tammy, welcome in. So I think my future, which I would like to implement, is to truly only have one redeem to rule them all. Right? To just change everything. One redeem. Right? So the idea would be you could input something like beaker. You could input beaker and it would change coat to solid. Oh my god, I can't spell solid. It would change color to whatever the fuck color beaker is. to whatever his strange flesh tone is. Change color. and then add accessories. Right? But that means that if you were to input like tabby, then it would change coat to tabby. Would change color to tabby defaults. And then it would remove any accessories. Likewise, if you were to put in like a color or like a preset, say I've been using strawberry in my head. Strawberry. If you put in strawberry, then we would almost have like a predetermined look for what strawberry would look like. It would no longer be like you could put in strawberry tabby, strawberry calico, strawberry whatever. Strawberry would be a predefined set of colors, type of coat, number of accessories that would exist. And the idea is that there would be a lot of them. There would be a lot of them that you could have fun with. But this is also... Take a sip, because I've been talking a lot. Let me just finish typing this out. Change coat to, say, tabby. Change colors. Strawberry. Preset. And then like add maybe, I don't know, like add like a leaf hat or something. Something cute, you know? Accessory. You know, something like that. But here's also what I'm thinking, right? Because I don't want to fully remove, like this is more in terms of the user experience of somebody just drops in and has no idea what the fuck is going on, right? This is a like one redeem of just like change what I look like, you know, just set up some presets, something that can be like, oh look, I did something, yippee. You know, like I don't want to say babies first, but like a little bit like babies first, like game engine, interactive whatever, right? I feel like this is the sort of thing that like you just avoid a lot of string parsing issues, right? All of these are going to be one fucking word. And I think this would also be interesting to include, I remember there's some sort of, not a spell check thing. I don't remember. I have to ask Dead Son about it, because I remember there's some sort of code where it doesn't need a string to match exactly, which I think is a big part of the issue. Like, say you just did like a fucking typo, like whoops, right now my code would be like, fuck no. It does not exist. I don't accept it. But it seems that there's a way, and I don't remember what it's called. It's some fucking computer science bullshit. I say kindly and lovingly because it seems really cool. So it'd be something like that, right? But the idea... I love the wildest canon. How are you? Don't judge us because we can't... Have you seen how many typos I've made just now? Just in this fucking little document? No judgment here. No judgment from here, I assure you. Okay, but I think if I were to do this, I would also like to implement debug mode. Which I'm not entirely sure if that's a good name for it. But this would be commands based. Command based. Yeah, this would be command based. So this would allow you to do something like coat type calico. Or you could say coat type, or sorry, coat color strawberry. Coat. Or you can do like a, like maybe hat, crown, or whatever the fuck I add, right? So this would all be commands based. This would be very free. And would kind of be something that I can toggle on and off if I want, where like I am in my head, dev streams would very much be debug. Like you could do whatever the fuck you want. Like that doesn't matter to me. But if I'm doing like a game or something and I want to be a little less distracted, or I don't want to be like, oh no, we mistyped something, oh I'm so sorry, kind of put it on normal mode. Debug mode is kind of like, have fun, break it, do what you want to do, you know? Scribes in the ancient world didn't give a rat's ass about spelling. That's true. That's true. Unfortunately, we live in the modern world and it fucking sucks. But yeah, so this would be one redeem, and you would essentially run through a change your coat pattern, change your color, add any accessories for any of them, right? So that's kind of the thought. And I think this is where this set of colors would come in. You know, something like that. Maybe a little less Dr. Pepper and Doritos. But I really like the ice cream flavors. Gemstones are pretty cool, or like solid, or you know, just anything like that. I really like something along those lines. But yeah, so this would actually do a little bit of a restructuring of how it works now, which almost makes me think I want to package the project as it is. Well, here's the thing. A lot of this relies on Twyworks and the fact that I'm still on Twyworks, but I would love to move to StreamerBot once I figure out how to get it fucking working. But I almost don't want to do too much work on the Twitch side in terms of commands or in terms of redeems or whatever until I get that side figured out, you know? When did I put the pizza in the oven? I want to say maybe like 20 minutes ago. Actually, that's a long time for a pizza to be in the oven, isn't it? You put it in there this morning. What are you talking about? Hi, Geo. I keep talking about StreamerBot. You keep fucking showing up. Maybe it's because I'm more and more convinced that I want to use it. The packet says 30? Okay. That's not too bad. Oh, you know what? I'm thinking of those tiny little pizzas that I used to get. I got like teeny tiny Trader Joe's pizzas, and those are only in there for like 15 minutes or so. But yeah, so I think if I go back to the plan, I need to figure out StreamerBot, right? I need to figure out how to do the Twitch redeem. To StreamerBot to Unreal. I need to figure out that setup. Alternatively, I would like to figure out the Unreal, if possible, the Unreal to StreamerBot to OBS setup. Because this is for, or I guess this is Twitch anything. Because this would be for receiving Twitch redeems, commands, events, whatever the fuck. Right, and having them do something in Engine. This guy is mostly for, like the specific use case I'm thinking of right now is to have my transition to big screen. That gave me an idea, but I need to, that gave me an idea, but I need to keep this train of thought. Okay, yeah. Is this today's plan? I tried to do it earlier today, but I got really stumped, so I wasn't planning on it, but if it's, maybe I'll try it, and if I get frustrated, I'll do something else. I do want to get it working. I would love, love, love to get it working, but I just don't think I know enough, like, offhand about WebSocket and all that stuff, to do it by myself. Yeah, so I need my transition to big screen, to switch OBS scenes. So this is what I'm loving about the functionality of StreamerBot, which seems to be just more and more useful as I exist, is that it just acts as a hub, like a receiver and a transmitter between all of the things I want to be using, which I assume is like the whole fucking point of it, but it's really cool and I like it. Took me a little while to get stuff to make sense. Well, actually, I don't think it's gonna dox me, but I am going to open it because I got some parts of this working. I got some parts. I think it's mostly the StreamerBot to Unreal Engine communication that I do not have. That is what I would love to have. That would be amazing. So here's this is dealing with IPs, so I just want to make sure that it's nothing. Okay, that's local IP. That should be fine. Hey, Super Osaka, how are you? But yeah, so I have my WebSocket. I got the WebSocket server on the StreamerBot end to work, and I got it to be able to connect to my Unreal Engine scene, which is very, very cool. Happy about that. I don't know how to send or receive messages between the two. That is what I don't know. Right? I literally just have it connect. Where the fuck is it? I literally just have it connecting to my fucking port and being like, print connected, yippee! But obviously it doesn't receive any messages. Nor do I know how to send messages from here. So I'm able to connect. That's it. You have RS installed? I have the plugin. I have the Unreal plugin. I don't. If there's a separate install, then no. What you making? Hi, Doc Wrecked. How are you? We're making me. Oh dear. We're making a little bit more of me. My controller died. We're kind of revamping the project that we have right now. Of just being able to do this stuff. Hi, Starman. Kind of building out a room, and just kind of doing a big revamp of how the project works in general. But yeah, when I transition to go up here, I kind of have the green screen set up. I would love, love, love to be able to get this working. Oh dear. To on that button, or yeah, on that button, send some sort of message to StreamerBot and be like, yo, we just changed scene. Change the scene in OBS. Sort of deal. So that's what I'm thinking. I forget which book in the Bible it is. One of the Gospels maybe, but in a manuscript in the original Greek there were like 3 to 4 spellings of the same word. Nice. Nice. Well, I mean, I guess it depends on what you were writing on, but like, shit's expensive. You don't want to waste it. My transition animation's so cool. I'm glad you think so. I'm glad you think so. I did a whole rework of my rig in order to get it to work, so... I'll tell you what, give me 10 minutes, I can give a call. I feel like I have used up all of my goodwill to you, Geo, but if you're offering, if you're willing, I will gladly accept the help. Also, well, hold on, because you can export. Can you, is this like settings that you can export to like a different machine? Because if so, that would be amazing and would make my life amazing. But in the meantime, let me take a look at some of this other stuff. think this might be StreamerBot. I don't think this would be within the project itself. Although maybe it would be. I'd have to take a look. I don't want to model a ceiling light. This would be cool later. Grab a drink so I don't kill my throat. Totally fair. Totally fair. Back in that. Take your time. Take your time. Oh, that's what I wanted to try. Hold on. This would require packaging, but I do I do want to try it. This is my post-process material. This is my stencil. So here's what I'm thinking. Or where did I put this? Oh, I put it in monitor stuff, I think. Yeah. Alright, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, what do I do for this stuff? I just have that as the texture? Oh, okay. Like, that's just literally my texture. Okay. So, does that mean I can just click and drag my media texture into here? And maybe lurk between that? Oh, and then lurk between that? Okay, yeah, this would require a package to actually get this situated. Right? Because I imagine this would be unhappy. Correct. It would be unhappy. Okay. Well, let's package it. We got some time. Where do I put this shit? Game builds. It says, oh my god, 2025. 12, 7. Let's get that going. Get that thinking. But yeah, there's the dealio. I would love to figure out some sort of spell check and then have like one redeem that's like packaging failed. The fuck? What the fuck? Okay, well, what happened? Why would you? What did you do? What did you do? Unknown error. Great. I did see a bunch of this stuff. Chat overlays. I don't think I care about that. Wait. Well, this is concerning. Uh-oh. Bro, you just said build successful. What are you talking about? Oh, you're building individual things. Okay, hold on a second. Hold on a second. Oh no! Oh no! Oh. Compiling failed. See log for more details. Take a little peeky peek at that. Okay, this is a lot of fucking stuff. Result failed. I have not had build issues in the past. This is quite annoying. Expecting to find a type to be declared in module rules NDIO. Oh, of course. Am I even using that right now? I'm gonna disable that plugin. I'm not even using that right now. Yeah, shut up. Right, that was a recent install. Oh, do I need to swap that? Oh, okay. Please don't tell me you have to recompile a bunch of shite. Okay, now you're good. Just thinking really hard. Take another sip. Making me log in again. Fuck off. Okay. Let's try this again. Oop, I forgot that I have to... We're still gonna look at files and shit. Select folder. See if that goes. Yeah, I forgot we added that. Chart is unhappy. Hi, the Bigly. How are you? Oh, I'm tabby. This is already promising. It's not shitting the bed right away. Knock on wood. Yeah, I don't care about any of this. Okay, yeah, it's thinking. Alright. Should be good then. Should be good. What else is open? Oh, my plugins. Go away. Oopsie. Was that you being done? Ooh, yippee! Okay. Well, now I get to move it over. And I get to see if this works. Apologies for any dropped frames. Oops, not that. Oh no. Oh no. This one. Copy. Alright, it's gonna think. Okay. While that thinks, let me just take a look at the plan. I think this would be fun, but I don't necessarily need it. Oh! Hi Dippadots, how are you? This I'm actually gonna cross off, I think, because I think this kind of has to do with the coat and colors stuff. And so does this one, technically. Because I think, because this would be, I would basically need a struct for, I'm gonna call it presets for lack of a better term. You would need, you would basically need a setup for everything. Right, you need a, like a body mesh, right, for short hair, long hair, etc. Can't think of any others, but you would need a body texture, which would be the coat type, or I guess coat pattern, mask, right? Oh, no hair, exactly. But yeah, that would be separate because I get these little tufts on my short hair default. You need the body texture. Which I guess, no, I'll make it a separate thing because you need the long noodle texture, which is just the long mask. It's the same thing, but hey, yo, Goblin these streams. Hi. Not these raiders, yo. Hey, thanks for the follow. I'm doing some nonsense right here. I need that, but here, while we're waiting for this, it's almost over there. It's almost over there, but I can show you what we're working on. First of all, what were you working on? What were you doing? What the fuck is that? Is that my light? Oh, we can't have that there, can we? Is that just gonna put light in there? That kind of sucks. Okay. Uh-oh. Oopsie. Playing some games? Fuck yeah. Very cool. I haven't played games in too long. I've been on this dev kick, and I forgot how video games work. Okay, but if you don't know me, I'm Noodlecat. I do things, and lately we've been working on me. We've been doing a revamp of our VTuber project. Let's see, we're trying to finish unfinished games for the new year. That's awesome. Tonight we finished the DLC for the Vampire Therapist and continued Sly 2. Very cool. Why do I feel like I heard about the Vampire Therapist? I don't remember who was telling me about it. Is it kind of like visual novel-y a little bit? I don't know, I just have like vague memories, but here, I'll show you real quick. Get that shit out of here. Look, it's me! We're looking to make a little environment for our dude. That's true. These are very good emojis to spam on me. I agree. But yeah, so we're looking to move into this little space. I somehow in this economy I managed to purchase a home that I built all by myself. This is a harsh ass shadow I'm noticing. Hot damn. But yeah, we kind of, that's my lamp. We kind of got this sort of vibe going, where you can actually just like peek around my room a little bit. There's nothing in here yet, but we're working on it. We're working on it. But yeah, and then we can go up ease. And in theory, this will show you my screen, kind of like what we have here, but I need to package the project to even fucking test that, so... So we'll go back down for now. Yeah, so that's what we're working on. I was hoping to get something out by the end of the year, but I have my doubts at this point that I'll get it finished by then, but we'll see. More to people. Oh, thank you. Our Therapist is actually really great. Yeah, visual novel with a flavor of Ace Attorney where you're trying to identify cognitive. Wait, that sounds really fun. When did this release? Isn't it like fairly recent? I don't remember. Lots of shelves, good for cat. Exactly, cat noodles, and or little gifts from friends. Like if someone just wants to, or like plants. I definitely want to put a plant in this corner, but like little figurines or whatnot. I think these are perfect for, you know? 2024? Okay. Okay. Lovely little couch. Don't mind this empty wall. We're gonna be working on it. Don't mind this hollow this hollow arcade cabinet. We're gonna work on it. But yeah, doing all this sort of thing. Have a great stream. Absolutely. Go if any. That goes for anyone. Any post stream. Go do your thing. You're not held hostage here. That's for sure. Oh, that was the sound of my me opening my water bottle. For whatever reason, it was just the loudest thing ever. Okay, let's see here. Damn. Oh, right, it packaged. Let me go check. Hello, Mayo. How are you? I am going to go ahead and close this project real quick, so stand by for a second. So I'm going to open the new one. Do you have a Stream Deck? I used to. I don't anymore. I don't anymore. I do have a thing that sends like keyboard buttons or like keyboard commands. I have an unofficial I have an unofficial Stream Deck. Sorry, Dippodots. We're in full testing mode. I'll refund you and we'll give that another try when we have the other thing open. I've acquired a very interesting music taste. Do tell, do tell. We'll open that. Hide that. Alright, drum roll please. See if this works. Loaded in okay? Uh-oh. Wait. Where's my other controller? Fuck. Hold on. Stand by. Give me 1 second. Emma? I just need to put batteries in my other controller. Because I forgot about it. Hold on 1 second. Oh, 1 second. Okay. Why does this not look like the camera position that it was in? Maybe it is. Need that. I need... Uh-oh. Let me make sure I put in these fucking batteries right. There's that. There's that. Don't tell me those batteries are dead. They should not have been chilling there if they were not dead. I found a song about Cthulhu kissing someone's mom? In April? What? Huh? Hey, well, I mean... Hold on, I'm fighting batteries. There's one. There's two. So I at least know that those are charged. Alright. So that means I have to click into this. First of all, too, I want to check my... Yes, here. Pretty good. Pretty good. Okay, and then this should work. Yippee. Okay. Good sign. Except I'm sure I look like shit when I'm looking all the way over here. A little bit. Okay, so that's my main screen. That's cool. That looks good. Oh, okay, right. Moment of truth. Ready? Whee! Whoa. It is quite off color-wise and seems to destroy my frame rate. So maybe I don't like that. Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, I broke it. Uh-oh. Okay. Alright. I'm abandoning that idea. That it was not happy with that. What if I go back up though? Does it still shit the bed? It's not too bad. It's still not great though, right? Like this. Right, like if I open this stuff, oh, you can read it okay. I was kind of hoping that I could just pull that in, but obviously I'm sure it's not too happy doing that. And the color looks like shit, so maybe, never mind. Maybe, no. Oh, melting cans. What are you doing over there? What are you doing? Okay. So, that's cool. It's like mostly working though, that's kind of cool. Just obviously unhappy with trying to render that stuff up there, so, alright. Alright, well I'm gonna close this then, and then we'll get the old project up. Let me show that. Hide that. Pull up the old one. Oh, stop doing that. No, I'm trying to turn off the fucking thing. There's that. Put that shit away. Wrong button. Put that shit back. Okay. Yippee! We're back. And I can move these batteries over again. Well, I'm glad we took a look at that, but I don't think I'll be doing that. Unless there's a way to like optimize the fuck out of it, which I don't think there is. Because regardless, it's a video feed rendering full screen, so I'm sure it's not happy with that. Show me! Oh! Grooming! Grooming time! Happy baby! They're so sweet. I love the cats. Dipshit idiot. Hi! These are amazing emotes. I love these. Take a sip here. I do wish they moved. These are moments where I wish they moved. Okay then, let's see. Oh, I gotta change that post-process. Bullshit. My cousin. Okay, yeah, so no more of this. We are going full green screen. Or shit, full green screen. Right, we'll fully do it in OBS, because I imagine that will make life easier and happier. Oh, there we go. Cup is. Oh. Yippee. Yeah. Full green. Green's green. And we'll do that. Just sent you off. Oh. Uh-oh. Well, it's a good thing that just fucking... Oh. Don't tell me those battery... I will take a look at that file momentarily. I must go charge my batteries. I'll be right back. Okay, we're so back. We're so back. Just in time for an ad to start in like a minute, but ad's coming up. Okay, let us take a little look-see. We have supposedly received a file. Oh. Oh. I see. Okay. Oh. Okay, is this something I can just place into content or something? Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Let me put it in here. Popsicle. Oh, yes. Yeah, this just seems to be a US. It's self-contained, so it shouldn't shout at you. Okay, good. I don't like being shouted at. Failed to import. Okay, well, oh, you know what? I probably just have to put it in the fucking file myself. And it's made to be placed in the level. Oh, okay. Oh, I've been coned. God damn it. Oh gosh. Take your time. Oh, it's just a blueprint. I say just a blueprint as if it's not gonna just save my life real quick. Oh, okay. Streamer bot connection. Ah, look at all this. Okay, very cool. Oh, end play. Okay, begin play. Oh. URL. Oh, okay. Oh, for sure. But I imagine your URL would be your, whether it's localhost or whatever IP you're looking at, right? Otherwise, connection error. Yeah, okay. The cone is so the popsicle doesn't drip when it melts. Gotcha. Okay. Let's see. Oh, I see. You got your on message event. Oh dear. Oh, this is where it gets fucking... This is where it gets fucking complicated. On event on message. Oh dear. Oh, and this... Oh, okay. It's all in there. Okay. I just have to take a little peeky. Oh, okay. So this is how you send messages to try to get messages. Do action. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, this is cool. Some Java. Yeah, okay. Got it. Okay. Pass. Okay, so on message, like I guess on receive message, pass. Aha, okay. Have you ever written just no? Hopefully you have not either. Oh, this is dealing with JSON. JSON! Okay. As field event. Oh dear. Okay, this is cool. Yeah. Oh, this, okay, I see. This is just taking whatever they have. Oh, okay. And then that. Ah. So these are the actions. These are the actions that you set up in like, these are the names of what you set up in StreamerBot. Ah. Okay. And then that can call different shit depending on whatever the fuck you're doing, right? Yeah. Example. On chat message. And then, oh, I see. This just prints whatever the message is, I guess. Oh. Oh. Oh, what's that? All in StreamerBot use global rules in StreamerBot for toggling on or off things that are in queue and will allow if statements to check each queue in sequence for priority execution. Get next would become the generic find next in queue. This is all the bit I was missing. I basically just had a basic ass thing set up and didn't plug in a WebSocket, which is pretty funny. Okay, I can't remember what that note was about, so I left it. That's fair. That's fair. Okay. So let's just take a little peek at what we got. Get broadcaster, which I guess is me. I've also sent you a screenshot of what I have on the... Oh, okay, awesome. Awesome, awesome. Send message. Receives. Oh. See, stuff in the documentation was saying you have to subscribe, and I'm like, what are you talking about? what are you talking about? But I think this makes sense. Okay. Let me hide my stuff. You know what? Let me Uber hide stuff. Because blurring doesn't do shit. Blurring doesn't do shit. Oh yeah, look at all this. Okay. Okay. These are cool. You have to tell it to connect. Yeah. It would be like we're connected, but then it wouldn't let me do shit. Okay. So let me hop back here real quick. Okay. Okay. Create the WebSocket. I see. So we don't do anything with the message itself just yet. Which I think is what I was just doing, where I would do on message and it would do shit. But I guess you do that over here. Okay. Okay. I've never seen this before, though. Create event? I'm not quite sure what that is. Hey, thanks for the follow! Is that gore? Sick spelling. I enjoy that. I see. This, yes. Event on message. I see. Whenever you receive a message, pass over here. It deals with the JSON file. Then you can actually read it like a person. This subscription is to all StreamerBot events, so you can capture everything. That's cool. Wait, is this your emote? Is this yours? It is! I love this little dude. I love this guy. Unfortunately, they're behind my fucking eyeball. But I love that. I love that. It calls the custom event without having to red wire cover. Yeah, no, that yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Okay. Oh, Fez. Okay, so this being the case, let me see if I can just very quickly get this shit up and running locally, which hopefully means that nothing's doxable, but still. Somebody yeah! Oh shit, yeah. Thank you for shoutouts. Thank you, thank you. I fucking always forget. I'm glad this was far enough advanced to spend 2 minutes cleaning up and share. This is very fun. Oh, if you're, I can give you a little tour of what we're working on. If you would like. If you hook up a chat event, the rest is just rinse and repeat. Oh, okay. Is this, because I know commands are separate, or like a separate thing from actions in StreamerBot. Is the commands like the exclamation point stuff, or would you deal with that the same way you would any other action? Where's my thing? There it is. Yippee! I think it's me. We're working on it. We're working on it. Okay. See, because this would be amazing. It would be amazing if I could get it situated where I go uppies and it does this pan, and in between that, it switches OBS scenes so that it'll actually green screen. That would be fucking sick. I would love that. I would love that a lot, actually. Once you understand it's all just actions and sub-actions. It's just actions all the way down, man. Can't get away from them. I think I saw most of it when I came in with the D's raid. I love the scene transition. It's so clean. It was quite a bastard to try to get situated. So I'm glad it's working now. Okay. Awesome. Let me just steal some stuff from you. So, okay. This, I feel, I definitely need to take all of that. No matter what, I need to take all that. Stolen. Consider yourself robbed. Get that shit out of here. Okay. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, shit. Go away. Bam? I think so. Okay. I'm wondering if I should have just copied that blueprint. It's whatever. It's whatever. Why not just use the blueprint? Because I'm a little baby. I don't think when I do things. This call events you can. You see that? That was my tantrum. That was my stop making sense tantrum. Okay. Blue hoodie boy, thank you for the scarf. Thank you. Okay. So then I suppose I would mostly just have to get the streamer bot set up working. Hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing well. All the Twitch actions are event dispatch. No, no, stop it. Stop making sense. Stop. Okay. Yeah, so then I just have to get that situated over there. Okay. Let me take a look. Or, well, okay. I think all I have to do, really, refuse. Nope. Stop making sense. Stop it. Let me see. I think I'm doing localhost, so it really shouldn't be a big deal IP-wise, because it's just reading whatever the fuck I'm doing here. But still... You will break. No, no, you can't put. I only have a little bitty cranium. I don't have much brain to work with. Okay, give me none of that. I don't want to see any of that. Give me my test, which I don't need in there anymore. Can I move this now? That would be amazing if I could just put it in there. Move here. Yeah, don't do anything stupid. Okay, awesome. My brain cannot any longer. It gave up a while ago. Oh, I feel that. I feel that. Okay. Put that shit dead center. Ooh. Has text. Well, I'm leaving it for now. It oh, perfect. Perfect. Okay. So let's see. Oh, fuck. I forgot that I have to restart Unreal. Once I try to launch a project with Twyworks enabled, it like steals whatever I was trying to work with. Like it does something where it's like, oh, shit's invalid, so maybe that's as simple as changing whatever port I'm on, but whatever. Whatever. Okay, oh. There was a reason I had that on. Start. Yippee! So if I press the play, and I check the thing. Oh, subscriptions. Okay. Okay. Which is already a good sign. So I'm gonna stop it. I'm gonna stop it for a second. And we're gonna take a little peeky poo at what we're doing in here now. Okay, so this is the shit that I can get from the server. These are the things I can ask of it. Do action. Okay, so I imagine do action is probably incredibly valuable to me. What's down there? Oh, test, okay. Okay. So, just make sure, because I think as long as I don't have any, I think just actions and stuff I can show. So, I would add an action, which we can say, I guess Twitch chat makes sense, right? Twitch chat. Try to leave that as is. Yeah. Twitch chat? Okay, cool, cool, cool. I guess my trigger would be... I was thinking it would be WebSocket. Would it be a receive message? Would it be a client message? No, maybe that's not right. No spaces. Pascal. Okay. Oh, I see. I didn't do that, right? No, I don't think I did. Okay. No trigger. It will be Twitch. Okay. So is there anything else I have set under here? I guess I would need a sub action, right? Like this is just the general name of it. No, I'm not sure I would, do I? I don't know. Oh, I see. So then I can say call on chat message. But maybe... Oh, I see. Because then I can... Yeah. Okay, then I can reference that in other blueprints. So... Do they do redeems too? Did I miss? Oh, I got a raid. That's cool. Oh, they do. Okay, cool. I figured they would, but... Okay. So, say I wanted the whole kit and caboodle. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Oh, right, so... Well, so, okay, so this is the Twitch to streamer bot to Yui, which what did I want to use that for? So say I wanted to do that. Where the fuck are my things? Okay, so these are my events or whatever. So I imagine I could just do the same thing. Would you put it up? Oh, good. I think I just put this as an action. And that's all I did. That's all I did for now. Enabled. No options. Yeah. That's all I have in there for Twitch chat. I won't do anything as yet. Oh! Oh! Give it a group. Oh, give it a group of... Okay. Oh, I can just call it Twitch. Twitch. Aha, there we go. Give me a little group. Yippee! Okay. So I'm wondering if I could just tie a Twitch chat to this event. Just to test with, you know? Like if I could get... Get my actor. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, I see. Any other types? Oh, okay. Oh, you can just bind event that way. Oh. Okay. Oh, okay, because they're already named. Oh, okay. This is amazing. This is amazing. Thank you. This is StreamerBot? Yeah, there we go. Maybe I'll rename it from shareable. Okay, so then just for now, we will bind Twitch. Let's just bind it to on chat message for now. If it'll let me. No? Stupid. Wait, why did it work on those? Oh, does it have to be this target? Oh. Jason! Oh. Need a new event from the red dot. Ooh, shit. I'm just gonna plug it into the same thing. So, if I'm understanding correctly, this would now, on every chat message, do my little rainbow effect. Maybe. Yeah, I know. I'm sure you're unhappy. I know. So if I were the JSON package, oh, that's cool. So that I can grab anything from there. Well, that didn't do anything. Maybe I should put a print. You're all set, right? Hopefully. Let's check. I think so. Let me double check. If my URL is set correct, I think so, right? Because it says subscriptions 3 as opposed to 0 before, which I think that means, like, yeah, connected clients, so that should be good. I think. So then mayhaps should be fine then. Okay. I totally believe you. Something else is just a little fucky. Alright. There we go. There's my button. So let me just make sure. Print. Just no. Yeah, we will. We just make sure I didn't leave anything stupid up. No, I didn't. Okay. Yeah, so there's my Twitch chat. Okay. Ooh, okay. I'm ready. It's a named event that doesn't do anything yet. Oh. Whoopsie. Does that mean it needs something over here? In the triggers window. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Add. Oh, maybe like an add Twitch chat. Chat message? Mode. I don't care about that. I imagine chat message. Cool. Ah, that would do it. That makes sense. Okay. Yep. I wonder, it's probably safe to, no, it's not. I have shit still being tied to Twyworks right now, so. Okay. So if I say, oh, whoa. What is the event that will get sent? Oh, whoa. Oh. Bro, it's fucking over. Yeah. Let's fucking go. What if I left this? Every single time someone chats. Would just be fucking party mode all the time. Okay. Cool. We did it. That's amazing. And hopefully, it should work on my, yeah, it does. It works on my noodles. Although it kind of works a little strangely on them. Why does it do that? Oh, you know what? I know exactly why. Because it's not, I think it's only in UV space or whatever. Whatever. Figure it out. Okay. Okay, that's amazing. I love that so much. Okay. It's so Jover. It's over for Twyworks. Like, I'm sorry to say. Okay. So what breaks if I get rid of my Twyworks? Right, because my Twyworks kind of sucks ass. I haven't updated it at all. Yeah, it still has all this old fucking shit, which I don't need. Because I think... Oh, this stuff breaks. Huh, okay. So, I don't need Twyworks. You can do things, or you like, bleh. Like use virus to turn the JSON message into a string and print it to see what's going on too. Oh, okay, that's cool. That's very nice. No more print. Go away. Oh, I see. So I could like, as an object, or like I guess I could do some sort of parsing for this. Oh, I see. I'd have to figure out what exactly, or how exactly it works, but yeah, I guess you would just figure out what kind of string you might need, and you could plug that in for debug or whatever. Okay. Save that. You know what? Those would need to be, shit. Just need to move all this stuff. Why did I put this in this fucking folder? Oh, okay. Put so much shit in this folder for no reason. Why did I do it? Oh, yeah, okay. So I need to not bind that to chat message. I need to bind it to bind Twitch. Okay. Definitely on follow. do that. The actions are named by you. The triggers are what causes them to fire. The sub-actions are the things you want StreamerBot to do in response to the trigger. Okay. That makes sense to me. Okay, that's really fun and really cool. Okay. So, I think what would make sense. Okay. So okay. So we got it working on chat. Is this kind of how I would work with commands, or are commands separate? Well, I'll let don't mind me. You can make an action called command. Give it a Twitch. Oh, a Twitch command tree. Oh, thank you. Let me do that while I read read what you're saying. Thank you. All right, that should be better. Okay. Let's see. You can make a command called. Oh, I see. Hold on. Let me walk through this. Add group Twitch. Call it maybe Twitch command for now. Let's see what happens. Twitch command. Add Twitch. This be in chat? Nope. I see. That's very much scratching the surface, but what they have done with StreamerBot makes it fairly easy to dive into. Yeah, this seems... It does seem like a lot, like maybe like a steep learning curve, but I imagine once you get the hang of it, it makes a lot more sense. Oh, and these are... Okay, these are your redemptions, right? I guess they call it reward? No, maybe it's not. Channel? It is cool though. This is super cool. First words. I don't know what half of this does, but that's really cool. Add core commands. Commands. Oh. It's in core? Oh, I see, because it's commands over here. Command triggered. Oh, look. I made one. Maybe I should make a different one. Because I didn't know what I was doing when I was making that. Yeah, I'm just gonna... I don't know what this is. I'm gonna delete it. Start from scratch. Okay. Haven't used commands. Maybe we'll dive into that a little bit later. Or I'll dive into it now, I don't care. If I just call it code commands. What the why is it so small? Oh wait, put each command prefix on its own line. You can just add a chat message and check for keywords in the met. No. No, that makes sense. That makes sense. I think, well, I guess I would do that on the Unreal side anyway. I was kind of looking to see if I could do like a way to like turn certain, like make certain commands accessible sometimes, but not other times, but I guess that could be all engine side too. It doesn't necessarily have to be in here. Let me delete that then. Okay, that's amazing. Let me... That kind of... This makes sense to set up all this stuff. What I think I need to do is then send a message from Unreal to StreamerBot. so that I could talk to OBS. If you can include an exclamation in the trigger word, it would act like a command, which, while technically not being one... I see. So if I were to call this OBS test... No, I would call this... Yeah, no, there's a lot in here. There's a lot in here. Really cool. If I were to call this... I wonder if there's a way I can toggle. At least for now, I'm gonna say, like big screen. And maybe call it... I'll call it Unreal, because it's coming from Unreal, I guess. But then I guess that trigger would be some WebSocket message, right? I'm receiving a client message. Alright. Also, to give you a heads up, they updated the UI in the last 6 months, so all the YouTube tutorials will look a little different. But to be honest, the new layout is a bit better. Okay, gotcha. So I don't want it to be any message. Or maybe... no. Maybe this isn't what I'm looking for. Let me see. Let me see what else they have for WebSocket. But I don't think it's custom server. I think this is a client. Which I guess would be on message. Yeah, maybe that would just be... maybe this would just be a catch-all action for any message received. Oh, let me check what we have in here. Let me take a little peek. Because, oh, this is the stuff where I can do an action. Huh. Oh, okay. So we can do shit like that. Okay. Do it as a catch-all. Okay, so like instead of just calling this like big screen, we could call it receive UE. And then I guess sub actions. Ooh. Well, I know in the end I would like to do the switch scene thing. I know eventually I'd want to do the OBS like change scenes or whatever. Is that active scene maybe? To whatever I want? Oh. I open OBS. Let me open OBS because I know I'll want to test this. Let's do a test template with a test scene collection. Just start from scratch here, right? Rename. Like call this I call this main. Call this also at the bottom of the action and cues panel there's an action history which can tell you everything StreamerBot picked up. Whoa! Oh, that's cool. That's cool. I'm gonna delete this actually because then I will just duplicate it when I have all my shit situated, including this message. No way. No way. Where is it? Oh, action history? Whoa. Oh, I see. Yeah, look at all. Oh. Include a message, including this message. Wow. Oh, shit. This is a lot of information. Wow. That's cool. Yeah, that's a lot. That is a lot of data to work with. Which is why I will not be showing it here. Okay. I'm back to OBS. Back to OBS. No, I actually want to be over here. No, I don't care. I need a display capture. Right, just like the barest of basic bullshit. Compared to Twilight. Oh my god, yeah. Absolutely. So, let me go here. Just gonna move that over. Something like that. Fireworks looks like looks like working with, I mean, kinda. You're not wrong. Okay. Well, hold on. I don't even need to switch scenes, right? Or I have to see if this actually works. But in theory, I don't even have to switch scenes, like, because this would just be my window capture or whatever the fuck, and I would just need to toggle on or off the chroma key. Like, really, you know, just, oops, just like my filters, right? Just toggle that on or off. You can do that too. Oh my god. Is there anything StreamerBot cannot do? Truly. Okay. This is fucking nuts, I must say. Okay. I just have to figure out how to do it. Because then I would definitely need my StreamerBot connection in my scene transition manager. Oh god, this has turned into a fucking mess. Oh boy. Okay. God, not that. I guess I don't need to do these in sequence, but my brain. Oh yes, back to absolutely. You have helped me tremendously as always. StreamerBot, promote to variable. Faffisactory. What a good game. Okay. So then I just have to figure out how to do the OBS stuff, right? I would need give me StreamerBot. I would need the OBS connection. I would have to say, oh, I'm sure I would have to actually fucking connect it to OBS first. Hold on. Platforms? No. Stream apps? Yes. Connect. Yeah, I know I'm not recording. Shut up. Okay, save. Okay. So, on receive Unreal message. Also, I have a secret plottage into getting all the Unity streamers on this setup. Well, I mean, it's incredibly powerful, and you have very much convinced me. I mean, considering, like, Twyworks is like, it's like, what, 20 bucks? Like, this shit's free, bro. Right? I don't think I paid for the blueprint, or the WebSocket blueprint one. If I did, I don't think it was much more expensive than Twyworks. One of us. One of us! Okay. I wonder if I need, though, if I need core globals. No. Yeah, so ultimately, I guess, I would need Oh, it would probably be in filters. Nope, not random, please. Scenes? Oh wait, set scene filter state. I think, right? That would be an Unreal main. Connection, OBS test filter? No? Oh, that's the scene. Oh, I probably need the source. Yeah. Set source filter state. Oh my god. Oh my god. Incredible. We'd all be doing a single server away from doing an insane collab UEDev. That would be very fun. That would be super cool. We're all actually just everyone's virtual like avatars are just in the same fucking Unreal scene, like in like some like I'm picturing those like weird like those like Dead Sun has like a very classy podcast setup. I'm thinking like the ones where like dudes who don't have like anything else going on just want to set up a podcast. They just put it on some table somewhere. Should make a scene like that. And it's just like fucking 8 people around a table doing stupid shit. Okay, anyway. Okay, so I'm wondering, oh, maybe it's logic. Get input? No. How do I read what this message is? Like, okay, I think that's where I'm getting confused. Like I got the sub action that I want to do eventually. Ecoverse does something really cool, or does some really cool stuff for non-devs. I feel like this setup would allow us to do a pro dev. That's true. That's true. That'd be really cool. I mean, all things considered though, not the most complicated thing in the world. I'm still getting stuck on things here and there, but I imagine like most people are way smarter than me about this sort of thing. I don't want to say smarter. I want to say I feel like a lot of other devs come with like more of a knowledge about WebSocket stuff, you know? Oh, basically, right? So this is like a catch-all, right? Like just receive the Unreal message. How do I parse that? Where like if my message says, you know, I want to make my green screen visible, then make it visible. But if it says I want to hide the green screen, then I want it to be invisible. Right? I think that's where I'm getting a little lost in the sauce here. Go away. I hate this. Right? Because then I imagine in here I'd just like do the thing and be like send message, right? Send message to do X thing. Check history to see what it's doing. It's probably not doing anything. It's probably not doing shit right now, unless it's actively doing stuff while I'm not looking. It's not. Currently it is not. But that's because I didn't tell it to do anything yet. So maybe I'll plug it in and see what happens. So for now, just get this, right? Transition. Right? Play the transition. Do all the in-between stuff. Which maybe I can put it here. Right? For here, I would, well, there's so many options, I only know the little corner I've scraped through. That's fair. So if I wouldn't want to bind an event. I would want to let me take a look. Is this a case where I would do action? Args key value. Maybe it's not. Oh wait, okay. Here's something. Send to Twitch chat. I know with my streamer deck, or I can give specific buttons a JSON package to pass along which UE receives. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So then you don't have to like write it every fucking time. Sent on message. Okay, no, this is parsing what it receives. I need to send something. I need to send something. Maybe for now I can just get... If you go up to the link messages at the top. Link message. Oh, this stuff? No, that's end. Hold on. Unless you're talking about this. No. Let me take a sip real quick. Yeah. I was thinking maybe it would be one of these. In the gray bit, right of the spaghetti loop. Oh, over here. Oh, yes. Wait, right of the spaghetti loop. Hold on. Oh wait, no, I imagine that's the spaghetti loop. Two nodes left. Oh. Left. Who let me do anything? Who let me be here? I imagine this is what we're talking about, but request subscribe, ID events, raw action, sub action. Okay, so this sends something no matter what. Okay. Combined events. Not the ones that kind of... Okay. To the link message. Oh, the bind event. Okay. On. Oh wait, is it this? Is that what we're talking about? An on sent message has a print that's... Oh yes. Oh, okay. That could be helpful. Don't mind me. Oh my god. Yeah, that could be helpful to see. Let me check something. Let me check something. Okay. That helps me seeing what goes on or goes out from you. That makes sense. That makes sense. Okay. Oh, well, I didn't do anything with it yet, so. Well, actually, it does something on send, right? Like when I press play, right? Or maybe it just did that the first time. Yeah, wait. Also, why is it printing dumb? Where did I do that? God damn it. Oops. It's just a reminder. It's like a post-it note on my bathroom mirror. Dumb. Oh, okay, so this is probably just like general requests. Maybe... It links the send to server on start. When you send something from Unreal, the server will print it. Oh, the server will print it. Oh, wait. Maybe that doesn't make sense. Anyway, Ball of Sunshine, hello! You're living up to your name already. How are you? Let me just check if it's doing anything in the action history. Not right now. So, it has not triggered anything just yet. Right? But like in theory, I should be reading my WebSocket message, right? I'm doing really good, just a bit eepy. I too am a bit eepy, I must say. But yeah, it's not receiving Unreal just yet, but the bit you're looking at right now is a gray comment box. The gray comment box is this, oh, to send info on any, oh, okay. Let's see. So, oh, I see. Oh, right, this is me subscribing to it. This is me saying I would like to receive information anytime this happened. I remember. Okay, yes. So it is currently not sending messages. Which is fine. Please don't break that. Oh, bam! No. I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding. Let me just type your mom in there somewhere. Don't unsubscribe. So, unsent message. But you'd think that we did on sent message. You bind that, and then it immediately sends a message. So it should be printing something on startup, right? In theory? But instead I just get dumb. It just seems dumb over and over. Which does wonders for my self-esteem. Okay. So that receives test ping chat. Send Twitch to chat. Okay. Well, this seems to be a testing thing. Maybe that's pushing it off screen. Check the output log. Ooh, okay. Maybe that is worth hiding. I don't know. Output log. Oh my god. Oh my god, there's so much shit in here. Okay. Oh, okay, yeah, I see something. Oh, yeah, I do see the subscribe. I see request, subscribe, ID, events, all that shit. Okay. It does send that. Woohoo! God damn it. all my dumbs. Definitely hit hide log right now. Oh, that's true. That's true. For sure. Okay, yeah. So it is giving me it's essentially there it is. It's giving me this. It's giving me this stuff, which I think makes sense, right? We said print the message, and it printed the message. Yippee! Oh, Sphinx. Okay, so now I just need to have it send something else. So maybe I can do a test ping. Doubt if it really works with it. Yeah, because I'm cold. Because I'm cold, I need a hat and a scarf. So this would also send to Twitch chat. Oh, well, this is assuming I have an action called send to Twitch chat, right? Which I don't right now. I see. I probably just have to use this as reference. Making a test action. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Well, would this not be my test action? I mean, for now. Maybe I could just have it not do anything right now. I mean, either way. Either way, we could just make a test action. Right, because then this will always be there. Always. So you can build stuff in it and then copy. Yeah, okay. No group, please. Or maybe we call it testing. No, give me that. Show me. Yeah, test action. Which I believe I want the WebSocket information again. Client message, any. Right? Because it'll give it to me in the it'll give it to me in the action history. Yeah, okay. My test action. Okay. So maybe, oh my gosh, I'm rolling all over the place. Okay. No, is this subject subject oh my gosh, subject one. Subjectal? Subject one. Hello. Subject. Got you. I've made a system exactly like this in Unreal 5. What you building? I'm building me. Very cool. I'm curious. I'm more curious as to what you're doing. What are you building? Subject, no! Geo, no! Calm down. But yeah, I'm doing a little revamp of my project. Overruled. I'm doing a little I have a house now. I have a house and you can look at me real close. Hi. Oh, hold on. No, my focus broke. No. Well, anyway. See, it looks really good. Nice depth of field action and all. Yeah. And look, that's you, see? Yee! I think I'm no good at lighting, but I am certainly trying my best, and we're having a lot of fun. But right now was that you? Were you okay? Is that the sound of those? Oh, that scared the shit out of me. I thought maybe you like stubbed your toe real bad.
And what?
It made that noise.
It made this noise?
Yeah. I don't know. I was worried for you.
Oh.
It kind of was giving Windows shutdown noise. Hey, thanks for the follow. Hey, 750. Fuck yeah. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Sorry, that was... My brain totally shut down for a second. I basically made a transparent overlay for my stream which handles my follows, subs, etc. It's scuffed, but we love it. We do love it.
Okay, bye.
We do, and we're having a lot of fun. USSI. You okay?
Abs hurt.
Oh, I'm sorry. Look, I'm in green screen land.
Oh, hell yeah, you made a transition.
I'm in green screen land, and then I go back down. And we're so back.
Now,
Uh-oh.
make it like more persona. Make it cooler.
What do you mean?
Transition.
Yeah, you want to do it?
Nope.
I would love to. This is placeholder, so that I just have a wipe.
Right.
I just have something so that it hides everything moving. Yippee. Anyway. Look at the donut. Donut's the best part of this room, honestly. Make it cooler, more persona. As soon as I saw a WebSocket message to StreamerBot, I knew I found my people. Fuck yeah. Well, Geo's the one who's got me on this shit right now. I do feel like I don't know if it's necessarily like a Lovecraftian thing or whatever, but like I feel like I've been ripped out of my current reality and shown a whole new plane of streamerdom, I guess. I don't know, but it's kind of like my brain is having trouble conceiving of it. So very much baby mode StreamerBot stuff, but I am learning. So I do feel like we do need a custom event for our test action. Which I imagine would just be a send message similar to this. Right? I just kind of need it to do something. Like would this be test action? Right? Because the name of the action is test action. I don't think I have any args. Maybe I should have copy pasted from up here. Oh no. I don't know what I'm doing. This is breaking my brain. Okay. Request no. I'm a little bit of a dummy, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. So we'll go to our scene transition manager and we'll do test action. We're just gonna plop that in there and see if it sends anything. Wha-bam. Press my button. Wha-bam. Okay. Let's press escape. Let me check the output log, see if it's printing anything. Alright, well it got really angry at some stuff. I know you're mad. I know. It's Merv! Sort of. Why does it print so much fucking shit? Oh, okay, so it did something. Okay, did it do the action? Ooh. Did it do it? No. Oh wait, no it did! Test action! Whoa. It did it. Okay, amazing. Okay. The possibilities here are fucking endless. Okay, so okay. So what if hear me out. And I don't know if this makes sense, but I guess this means that I could call specific actions. So I don't necessarily just need a catch-all action? Yeah, hold on. Let me try something. Duplicate. And we'll call this edit. We'll call this big screen mode. Where I think I would have to... Let me check something. I feel like this is a lot of hiding my screen. Cancel. That's not quite what I want. No, but then I could say big screen mode. Well, hold on. Well, I just triggered text action or test action. Okay. So I just need to trigger big screen mode. Okay. The actions panel is pretty safe. I don't trust it. Well, I keep clicking on and off stuff. So, so if I do big screen mode and just leave the text for shits, although should be fine. And now this does my test action. What does this do? This sets my green screen to be visible. So if in my OBS I set this to invisible, close. Looks like you got this from here. I'm working on it. I'm cooking. Let me cook or something. Fucking hell. I do think I'm going to... Isn't there a way There's like a setting where I can just fucking hide this from view. Yeah, hide OBS, please. There we go. I just don't want to fucking look at it. Can't wait to see what you make now. I'm gonna make a mess. That's what I'm gonna make. A mess that works, but a mess. Okay, here we go. Testing, testing. So we got an OBS. If I press play, right? I press play. That has no green screen on it. I press my button for big screen mode. Well, bam. Am I in? Oh my god. Green screen needs some work, but holy fucking shit. It's working!
Why is there 4 of you?
Huh?
What you doing?
I'm doing. I got it working.
That's what it looked like last time I looked at it.
No, shut up. The changes in OBS, bro. You don't understand. Okay, bye. You have no appreciation for the technical achievement and whimsy of Unreal Engine. I'm having fun. Anyway. Okay. This is amazing. I can give you an outline of how I approached it if you like, but I'm getting mild to moderate. Don't backseat me if you're into Jessica. No, please. I could use all the help I can get, honestly. If you have the time, if you have the energy, I do greatly appreciate the help, especially with this sort of thing. Okay. So, let's see what else we can get set up. Let me whip something up. Absolutely. I appreciate it. I appreciate you. You don't understand the power of the of the streamer bot side. I do feel like I've joined the dark side a little bit. I'm not gonna lie to you. I feel like I walked with Twyworks so that I could run with StreamerBot. You know what I'm saying? I feel like Twyworks like helped me take my first baby steps into Twitch integration and just any Unreal stuff, and it's like a graduation of sorts. It's a rite of passage, it feels like, you know? Alright. Let's see. What else am I doing here? Okay. So I guess we could do big screen mode, and then maybe this could be... Because this is basically a toggle, right? This is basically a toggle, but I'm wondering if they should be separate events, or if this is a toggleable sub-action. Oh my god. Anything is possible with StreamerBot. Okay. Yippee. It's like jumping out of a funnel car into a jet car. Kind of. I feel like I can fucking do anything right now. So, okay, let's give this a test then. I would need my test action, which I'll actually name better in a second. Right, and we'll clean this all up. We certainly will. Okay, so this is a toggle then. Which means I start it off, right? Start it off. Press play. Hold on. Okay, cool. It's off. Yippee. Press the button. Okay. So now we're green screened, and then I press it again. Oh, it didn't toggle it back. Why not? Did you do the thing? I do have two big screen modes within like 20 seconds of each other. Oh, well, maybe I shouldn't be showing that shit. Wait, did I not save it? Oh, I probably didn't fucking save it. Hold on a second. Oh, yeah, I didn't. Toggle. Okay. I might have pressed cancel. I might have pressed cancel. Be a little bit silly of me. Okay, let's try it now. Okay. Right? Nothing. Yippee. Press my button. Go uppies. And now we're green. Actually, while we're here, maybe I'll tweak this a little bit. That doesn't look as much like dog shit. It looks a little bit like dog shit, but we'll leave it for now. Okay. So now, if I press my button again, the world is beautiful. Everything is great. Love and life today. Okay, amazing. So now I just have to, honestly, the most annoying part is that I'm gonna have to move this all to the other machine, which is admittedly a little annoying, but I guess I could save, right? You can like export your settings. Like maybe I just need to do that. Right? Because I'll do it over here for testing, just export over to the other machine. And that should be fine, right? You can do that. Nice. Because then I'll have Unreal, StreamerBot, and OBS all running on the same machine no matter what. So there really shouldn't be any IP nonsense even that I have to worry about. If you only have a few, it doesn't take long either. Ah, yeah, you're right. You're right. Yeah. Oh, them grippies. Oh my god.
Didn't do shit.
Didn't do shit. She's so sweet. You'll still need localhost IP. Ah, yes. Yes. Okay. Save it. Amazing. Amazing. Okay. So now that connects to OBS fine. I think the only other thing I really wanted to check was a Twitch dingy, which I think is already in here. Channel reward redemption. Oh, I get to pick. Whoa. Okay, that's amazing. So I guess for now, I'll do this one. I can just create a new reward. That's so funny. Just make it here. Okay, so when you redeem this, edit. Can I get the text that they give me? I guess I could see, right? That's a whole thing too. Fair enough. Hi, what's up? She says wear something simple she does not mean. Yeah, that's true. Yeah. I don't know if this is still the same, but if you created the rewards on the Twitch side and connected to StreamerBot to it, it won't have full access to them, so I had to recreate them all. Oh no. Oh yeah, I get stickers. Oh, okay, so, well, honestly, I don't think that's the end of the world for me. I mean, annoying for sure, but I'm only a little bit starting from scratch. Okay, so Twitch, are you saying if I go to channel reward, say reward redemption, and say create reward here? Is that what you mean? If you want to enable, disable, pause them, I think StreamerBot needs full access. Ah, got you. I know you can get StreamerBot to add and remove redeems to Twitch, so I'm guessing this means you can make context-based redeem sets. Oh, well. Okay. Reward name. StreamerBot testing. Which I hope I can rename later. User input required. You can make them there, or there's another page. Oh, I see, I see. Testing. Background color, sure. Random. Cost is 1. Sure, sure, sure. Persist counter, persist user counter. What is this? Group. Group? Group. Testing? Okay. So, okay. Save. Can I test this? Can I, like, get this to execute right now? I don't know if I can do that. Persist. It's been redeemed this many times ever. Persist user, this guy redeemed. Oh, that's pretty cool. It persists across streamer bots. Whoa. This shit's actual magic. What the fuck? I don't know. I don't know what magician did this. They have too much power. Okay. Group. Q. No. Oh wait, test trigger. Oh, bam. Right now, if you redeem it, it'll do everything in sub actions. So not that would do it. That makes sense. That makes so much sense. Okay. Okay, so that means okay. That means that I need to send. Ooh, that means I'm gonna have to send some kind of. I'm gonna have to send the information from here to Unreal Engine, which I think it reads messages anyway. Twitch chat, redeem. Like if I just, okay, hold on. If I press play, and I give this redeem a test, and I call and I say, oh whoa, hello, and I press chat. Okay, well it's calling me dumb, so that means I need to check my output and see if it even received that. No. Did not receive, but did StreamerBot receive? Did. Twice. Why did it do it twice? Oh, it does give me the reward prompt and shit, though. What are you trying to... Oh, don't show that. Get here, get here. What are you wanting it to do? Okay, so what I would love for this to do is for... I can close that. Yeah, go away. I would love if I were to, like, on redeem StreamerBot testing, right? If StreamerBot would send to Unreal whatever the user typed in that message, which I guess was called reward prompt. Oh my god. I think that's what it called it in the action. Because then I would love for my project to read that input and do different things depending on what that input was. Right? Because I think I'm getting the trigger when this happens. Oh wait, oh my gosh. Am I being stupid right now? I might be being a little stupid. Hold on. Yeah, because I don't have it. I don't have it doing anything. I don't have it existing. Stand by, stand by. This is called Twitch Redeem. Yeah, because I have it printing messages that Unreal sends to StreamerBot. I do not have it printing the other way. I do not have it doing the other thing. So if I say on here, just no, print string, please. If I just say Twitch Redeem, right? Save. So it'll just print a little thing when I do that. Which means, I think, hopefully, I can also trigger it here. Bum, 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 beep. Yippee! We printed. Okay. It's just me being silly. Honestly, one of the best parts about doing dev work live is that I have however many rubber ducks to talk to. You are all my rubber ducks that I'm using to debug my bullshit. Except what's cool is that the rubber ducks can talk back to you and are often way smarter than you and know more about this than you do, which is very cool. Give this a save. Okay. Oh, okay. What I would like though, it's printing that it's happening. What I do need though, I need that, I need this, I think. What do I do with this? Arguments. Yeah, so this is all the bullshit it gives me. Can I beep? No, don't get display name, you stupid. Honk honk honk? Give me magic? Goose/duck talking back saying you missed a semicolon. Motherfucker, I knew it! Thank you. I took the string input and slapped it into a custom struct. Honestly, this is the code that Geo sent me like an hour ago. So I'm not sure how best to do it. The way that he has it set up is you grab the WebSocket stuff, and then when you receive a message, pass it to Forest, and then yeah, decode all that stuff. Do all that stuff, which I think I see. I'm gonna say, being so real, I didn't actually take a look at what this does. So this gives me all the arguments, which is cool. If it works, it works. Don't get me. Oh no, for sure. Even as a Genie subsystem. Get out of here. Okay, so this being the case, though. How do I decode this? What do I do with this? How do I deal with JSON? Decode JSON? Oh. That's not what I wanted. Because I imagine it's hidden in there. Yeah, how do I get to you? What do I do with you? Give me you. Break? No. Is it pushing chat messages into a particular field? Not struct, it's a WebSocket message with a JSON package. Even goes WebSocket, JSON data, specific data. And I think trying to get that is where I'm stuck. Because I imagine it's the arguments I'm looking for. But maybe... maybe... I think I'm just not used to this plugin. I just don't know quite what it does. Can you have a look at the log from when the message came through? Is that in StreamerBot or is that in Unreal? What am I looking for? Because I think right now oh yeah, in Unreal I just had it print a string. So it really shouldn't have any information. No, not that. Output. If you can see the format of the actual string, you might be able to nail down the field, but doesn't I imagine it, I mean, it might. I'm not seeing it though. If you look at the on message event, I think there's a print for the incoming. Oh, okay. Oh, this guy on message. Yes. Give. All the debug, please. All the debug. Okay. Let's play. Okay. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's doing stuff already. Okay. So let's test this. Oh, look at that. Okay. Oh, that wasn't nearly long enough, but it's in the output log, right? Scroll all the way down. Okay. There it is. StreamerBot doing stuff. Hell yeah. Wow. Okay, it's doing a lot. That is a lot of information. Okay. Oh, this is what I'm looking for though. Okay, it has the redemption ID. What I would love is my input. Reward prompt. Testing. Oh, no, that's okay. Reward prompt is not what I'm looking for. It will be long. Yes, I recommend right-clicking and clearing the lock every now and then. That makes sense. That makes sense. Raw input. Oh, am I looking for raw input, maybe? Because I think, yeah, it requires input, but I think it just gives it a test. All it says is this is a test user input. So maybe I'm looking for raw input. Hold on, let me write that down. Okay. Wait, let's take a look here. Let's take a look. I should actually probably clear that log while I'm thinking about it. Right click, clear. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. How are the messages being packaged on the StreamerBot side? That's a geo question. That is a geo question. I have no idea. I'm a little baby. I'm a little baby programmer. I'm really small. Okay. So, okay. So I guess I just need to get... Is this what I'm looking for? Get object or string field? Get... Get... Maybe get... Do you have custom C# scripting bundled in all this JSON or something? I would think that you'd have done, or you'd have to purposefully intercept the message in code and send it. It's above my head. This shit's above my head. I have no idea. At least, yeah, at least as long as, or as far as what I'm doing, it's all pretty plug and play. And a lot of this stuff, like being received and decoded, is on the Unreal side. What decides what gets put in the message, though? It's just unpacking it on the UI side. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure what or why it sends. Get object field. Get the field name as a JSON object. Oh, okay. Well, I would like it as a string, please. And call it raw input. And then just see if that works. Streamerbot. Streamerbot. Do you have a moment to talk about Streamerbot? You know what? I want to turn... Let me turn this, like, pink. And make it, like, 1 billion seconds long so I can actually see it for a little bit. Or possibly Twitch API, I'm not 100%. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, I gotta test the fucking thing. Test trigger? Oh, I got it. Oh, I got it. Oh, yippee. I got you, bitch. I got you. Okay. Anyway, enough of me. I just know it's a chunk of JSON data from every chat mess. Yeah. Yeah, so I guess I don't want to print it all the time, but... Okay, this is cool. Okay. So... What's the plugin you're using? Well, I have 2, right? I have the WebSocket, the Blueprint WebSocket. I have that one. And then it's the REST. I don't know what this means. Plugin that makes REST JSON server communication easier to use. So I think that's what just parses the JSON bullshit. Oh, was there another one? Is there a third, or is it just the 2? What about the Streamerbot side? I think this stuff was pretty plug and play from what I remember. Oh, yo. Yeah, I think I just had to. Oh, don't do anything stupid. I think I just had to set up the WebSocket server, and then have Unreal connect to it. You show me how a message gets sent. Sorry, gets sent from Streamerbot or gets sent from Unreal? Streamerbot is hosting its own internal. Yeah. And then all I have to do is connect to it. Yeah, because I think from Unreal, or at least my test action, it sends a message to the WebSocket. You know, when you connect, it makes the WebSocket, and then it just sends this mess, which I assume is its own JSON file, but I have no idea. Streamerbot is hooked to the Twitch user account. Yes, I did have to set that up. I do remember that now. Okay. So, okay. So I need to rename this. I'm realizing, because this has to be Twitch redeem code. Save. Which means that I will have to rename this over here. This allows it to receive Twitch events and pass the event to a WebSocket as a JSON. JSON! So I have that print for now. Oh gosh. Is what you're trying to get at whether SB is for... Oh, thank you for the follow. Luke Vaderson. Go sleep, Gio. Go sleep. Heavy Rain combat. It's so funny because, like, I've never played Heavy Rain myself, but I've heard it so often because of just how, not even that frequently, but like of how much like JSON files come up in my life that everyone just goes JSON. Oh gosh, Gio, go to sleep. Go to sleep. Pronounce my name right. Fuck yeah. Thanks a lot. A lot of people say Vader's son. Well, it's not spelled Vader's son. Vader Sen? Peak meme to me. That shit's so funny. Because then I went and watched it later, and yes, it is objectively so funny. Thank you. Thank you for all the help, Gio. I appreciate you so much. So much. Thank you for converting me to the dark side. Okay. Okay, so we got our Twitch redeem code. I need a dispatcher for it. That's for damn sure. On Twitch redeem code. Which, oddly enough, this isn't as different as I was expecting from Twyworks. It's just way better. It's just way better, way cooler. Actually, how do I get this input? One of us. Yes. The raw input is the raw chat message. Texted scene. Yeah, I know it spits a bunch of shit out, and if I can get it so that it doesn't dox anybody, because there's the action history that I was using too. Which I know double clicking on that kind of parses what you need. Wait, this is so funny. This is just wrong. Okay, whatever. Oh wait, I see. It's just like a random user. Okay. So let me just triple check. This doesn't fucking dox anything. It includes emote codes? Oh, very interesting. Okay. There's another one that's just text. Oh, okay. Yeah, I have a couple. Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah. So the action history in StreamerBot is quite helpful for this. I'm like really nervous, but this is a test anyway, so it's not. Yes, Gio Wesley. This is a test thing, so this was quite helpful because this seems to be like I grabbed raw input from here. Right, this is the one, because I'm getting a lot of Twitch chat ones, obviously, but yeah, that's the Twitch redeem from earlier, which was my test one. Right, it grabs the reward name, the prompt, which I thought is what I needed, but that's just my description. Reward costs, counter, all this stuff, and then it gives a raw input for testing. So that was great. I could have. I'm realizing I could have checked that instead of the user log, but yeah. So I guess this is just the varest thing for getting that situated. Yeah. Wait. How do I give this an input? Oh wait. Do I have to do it somewhere else? No, that doesn't make sense, right? Am I silly? How do I give an event dispatcher a... Oh. Well, maybe it would help if I fucking did something like... Oh, that's... Oh. Oh, inputs. Wait. Aha! I got it. Oh, thank you. I'm seeing your chat now. You know what's up. You know what's up. Okay, and this is, we're just gonna name them the same. Jason, who is varest. Jason, object. Jason, object. Baby. And that's you. And that, okay, I would love to get a version of this working. Like, that would be fucking amazing. if I could get this going. Okay. Because we are actually coming up on time here. Okay, so I think I would put this into my code manager. Yeah. Which is a little bit looking like dog shit right now. Get color. Okay. So this would be a generic coat type. There's still plenty to do and to work on. Get rid of Twyworks. I ain't using that shit anymore. Okay, So, okay. So I can just replace this with my StreamRbot connection, which I still have to rename. Remote bot StreamRbot manager. Okay. Get that. And I think here is where I have to bind my event, right? Find redeem code. Yes. Yes. Okay. Do that. And I think that's where I just have to do on redeem code. Blink. Oh wait, because yes, because I have the input. Okay. On Twitch team code. Amazing. So this is where I need this thing. Oh, bam. Get my raw input. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, wait a second. Surely I can do this. And I can take that. And I can... I think I can leave that blank for now. Because I'm gonna have to rework this logic anyway. I just need to get that shit out of here. Maybe this is what's printing dumb. Okay, try that. So this would need a custom attempt. So give that a go. I'm gonna go over here. And I'm gonna tap type. This is looking for a coat, so I need a tabby. Please? Oh my god. I would like to thank Twyworks for a good 2.5, 3 years of good times and good things. But it's time to say goodbye. It's time to say goodbye to Twyworks. This is amazing. Holy shit. Hi, Oz and Snorts. How are you? Welcome in. Okay. Before I do anything, I'm going to turn off... Well, I'm going to get rid of this because I don't need it anymore. I am going to... Yeah, I'm going to get rid of the... Yeah. Get rid of the debug stuff because I don't need it to print everything anymore. Oh. Oh my god. This is amazing. Okay. So I'm fairly certain that what is this? Yeah, get that shit out of here. That was testing, and I don't need it. Go away. Okay. Let me check the list again. Sorry, the plan. Okay, so we have the basics of these set up already, which is really fucking cool. I think biggest thing I need to do is export to Stream Machine and make sure that the StreamerBot setup is easy enough to move from this main machine to the other one. So redeems, I imagine, are fairly simple after this. Oh, because then that means that I don't have to require a text input? Oh my god. Okay. Life is amazing. Okay. What else do I need? I I'll need help commands. I'll need to figure out the command system in general, and then I need debug commands. So that if I need to do some testing on my own, it's easier than redeeming and doing stupid shit like that. Oh, yeah, I can get rid of that, because that is the help commands. Okay, I don't want to do that. I will do that later. But I actually think that this is probably the next big step, which is actually like getting the Noodle Cat presets working. Right? So if I can just map this out real quick and have it so it's not under my fucking view. I would need the long texture. I would need the color palette. Or palette. Do I need the array? Or the data asset? I'm not sure. Okay. I think I would need the data asset. But anyway. I need the color palette that I'm using. I would need and then I would need I guess an array of I would need, long story short, I would need the accessory meshes. Whether that's stored in one array or separate variables is kind of a, oh my gosh, hold on. I run out of beverage and I immediately have to fucking cough. Okay. Yeah, so this would be hats. Hair. I don't know. Anything else? Glasses, etc. Yeah, so I guess these would all be on that shit. I'm wrapping up here.
Hey, can you mute?
Yes. Well, bam. Okay. So this is actually kind of amazing. There's obviously plenty to do and plenty more to explore with StreamerBot, but this is like, that was the majority of my uncertainties, you know? Like, it's gonna work. I just have to figure it out, you know?
Are we just like too late yet?
No, I'm wrapping up now.
Okay.
I do have to wake up early tomorrow, so I can close that. Don't save. Yeah, I can close that. Yeah, so I think I would just need debug commands for like, well, I would need debug commands for changing pattern, color palette? Oh my god, I can't fucking spell. Is this how you spell palette? I have no idea. Oh, I'm gonna look at it. Oh wow. Oh, look at this. I send messages. Oh, it's a bit different from your approach, but maybe a bit more flexible too. Whoa. Oh wait, is this commands? Oh my gosh, this is actually super cool. Okay. because that's the commands is something that I really don't know much about, so. Oh, okay, cool. Using ID card checks, makes input. This can be used directly in attach script. Setting temp global variables just to make. Oh. Just describing this temporary global variables and locally doing a bit of no. Whoa. If you ever wanted to send different JSON fields and such, you might need to do something like this, but for now, look at, oh, this is so cool though. Okay. This is all C sharp, right? It looks scary, but if you have any questions at me, I may very well take you up on that. It is? Okay. Because I have been meaning to learn anything that is in Python. Because I started on Python and I learned a lot of Python, which is very cool. But that's all I know. So I would love a good excuse to learn something else. So much friendlier than C++. But wait, really? Oh, okay. Well then maybe that's where I'll dip my toes in and and look into C++ a little after that. I don't know. It's all scary. It's all scary to me. But oh my gosh, okay, we got everything I wanted tested, and it works. So I truly just need to do some of the other back-end work of just making sure that this works on the other machine so that I can actually use it. And then eventually kind of making this change. She's up and running. Bro, she's up and running, dude. This is very cool. Very exciting. Okay. But I do have to go to bed because I have to be up early. But thank you. Thank you, subject. Thank you, Geo, even though I know you're in bed. Oh yeah, we're not gonna do ads. I'll wrap up before the ads start. But what was I gonna say? Thank you for being here. This was a very productive, very happy stream. I'm glad. I was kind of on the fence on whether or not I wanted to stream today, but I'm glad I did. I'm very glad I did. Let's see who we're rating. Let's see. Do I have any friends doing oh shit. Do I have any friends doing dev stuff? Mayhaps. Or mayhaps not. Oh, Fruitsy's live. Wait. Oh my gosh, it's Saturday. Oh my god, we have to say hi to Fruitsy. We have to. We have to. If you do not know Fruitsy, you should fix that. You should fix that. Has a very, very cool setup. And is also doing dev work. Amazing. Okay. Yeah. Another very cool Unreal Engine VTuber. I've learned a lot from them. Very cool little like slime pet system. So if you chat, you get a little dude. You get a little dude down here, and they are the best and amazing. So let us say hi. And they have fish. I keep forgetting about the fish. I'm gonna be so real. But yes, that's all I have. If I'm not quite sure what my schedule looks like next week. Things get a little interesting in terms of holiday stuff for me, since we're more New Year's people. So in and around the new year, I might not be streaming as much, but hopefully, fingers crossed, I'll get something working in January. I don't think I'll be able to do it for exactly New Year, but we'll try to get our shit together as soon as we can. But yeah, not sure when next stream is, but I'm sure it'll be dev. But yeah, I will see you then, hopefully. Let's go bother Fruitsy. Alright, eyeball spin. Wee! Oh, it stopped tracking. There we go.